Oh my goodness, guys, welcome to today's explainer. I am literally vibrating with excitement right now because we finally get to talk about the most unbelievable true story of our absolute favorite primate on the internet. Yes, we are talking about the one, the only, Punch.
Punch hits the stage. Okay, this is the part my theater kid heart has been waiting for. Because this unbelievable saga didn't just stay on the internet, no way. It culminated in a world premiere musical in Toronto.
Just look at the incredible cast for Punch, a new musical at the Factory Theatre. Written and directed by Andrew Seok, who actually also plays the brutal troupe leader Akira, this production was presented in concert form. And honestly, that was such a smart choice, because it stripped away all the visual spectacle to focus purely on the storytelling, the character, and the song. You have Lara Roda perfectly capturing the innocent survivor Punch, Broadway veteran Chilina Kennedy as the maternal narrator, and Alex Wiersbicki as Dad, the zookeeper who provides that crucial human care.
Ah, man, I am legitimately getting choked up just reading this. Hey, Dad, you're my favorite part of the day. It's this tender, just gorgeous lyric from the show that perfectly captures the tear-jerking, bittersweet bond between Punch and the human caretakers who quite literally saved his life when he had no one else.
And this brilliantly illustrates why this musical was exactly what we needed. Seok's show acted as the perfect cultural release valve for this massive internet phenomenon. It wasn't just about a cute animal anymore. It transformed an internet curiosity into a profound story of resilience. It actually humanized Punch's biological mother, exploring the intense pressure of parenthood rather than just vilifying her. It didn't shy away from the brutal, harsh reality of animal hierarchies either. But above all, it explored the universal desire we all have to find a place where you belong and are wanted.
Which brings me to this final, powerful question I really want to leave you with today. Are we loving these animals at the expense of the humans who keep them alive? Punch's journey is beautiful, but it also exposed how our total obsession with viral digital content can push real-world workers right to the breaking point. So I challenge you, rethink your own smartphone habits the next time you fall down a viral rabbit hole. Because the professionals dedicating their lives to saving our favorite animals deserve a sanctuary too. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible explainer, and I will see you next time.